basic vapor compression cycle. The evaporator will pass out the low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant from the suction line. Compressor will suck the low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant which is in the state of saturated vapor. The compressor will compress the saturated vapor from low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant to high pressure, high temperature vapor refrigerant which is in the state of superheated vapor. The superheated vapor will enter the condenser and the condenser will condense the superheated vapor into saturated vapor. After, at the end of the condenser, the saturated vapor is passed as saturated liquid after the process of condensation, which will be at high pressure, high temperature liquid refrigerant. The saturated liquid refrigerant enters the expansion valve. At the expansion valve, it is again changed from high pressure, high temperature liquid refrigerant to low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant. At the expansion valve, the liquid quantity of the refrigerant is removed by a dryer filter. When the low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant enters the evaporator will change the low pressure, low temperature liquid refrigerant into vapor by exchanging the latent heat. And again, through suction line, the low pressure, low temperature vapor refrigerant will enter the compressor as compressed vapor, saturated vapor. This is basic vapor compression cycle.